Sig Sauer is a name synonymous with quality and precision when it comes to firearms. Their rifles are no exception, delivering exceptional accuracy, reliability, and versatility. Sig Sauer rifles are known for their innovative designs and cutting-edge technology, making them a favorite among law enforcement, military, and civilian shooters alike. Whether you're in a high-stress tactical situation or simply shooting for fun, Sig Sauer rifles are built to perform at the highest level. With their ergonomic designs and intuitive controls, Sig Sauer rifles are easy to handle and shoot accurately. Their triggers are crisp and consistent, allowing for precise shot placement every time. Sig Sauer rifles also come with a variety of customization options, from adjustable stocks and grips to rail systems for mounting scopes and accessories.
We're going to talk about some of the features that vary from the standard snakebite platform and from the standard tread platform. So let's start at the front here. We have a hybrid compensating flash hider. That's right, this allows you to have the flash suppressing ability while also having compensating in the top here to allow for reduction in muzzle rise. The barrel is a little bit different than some of the other tread models as well. What we did on this is we went to a full FDE barrel and we used a high temp Cerakote, but it also features a 1-in-7 twist rate, which is better for some of your heavier 77 grain bullets as compared to the 1-in-8 that comes in the standard tread. Some of the other features in back here is the 2-stage matchlight duo trigger with a flat blade design, which is unique to this model of the snakebite. And then we also have the PDW grip, which comes on this as well. And then some of the other standard features that come on the tread being the ambi controls, the SLK stock, and the free-floating handguard, in this case the 13.5-inch enhanced, which comes on the snakebite as well. If you want to learn more about the snakebite SE or any of the other tread models, make sure you visit us at Sig Sauer.
I'm super excited to introduce the latest innovation from Sig. The first bolt action rifle, the Cross. Let me tell you what makes this rifle special. Starting at the end, we have the taper lock on the stainless steel match grade barrel that allows any Sig suppressor to mate directly to the barrel. However, if you already have a suppressor, we include the taper lock adapter so that any suppressor will screw and mount right on the end of the gun. The barrel is a stainless steel, like I said, match grade barrel that's available in 16 and 24 inch. The calibers that it's available in are 6.5 Creedmoor, 308, and 277 Sig Fury. The forend is an standard M-LOK forend that's entirely free floated. So from the factory, free floated M-LOK. One thing that makes this rifle very special to the consumer is that you can change your own barrels. So you can remove the barrel with a standard AR style barrel wrench, and it's a tapered barrel nut that's underneath this handguard. So you undo the nut, pull your barrel out, put your new barrel in, tighten the nut back down. The headspace is set from the factory, so you're able to order a different caliber or a different barrel length or a different taper and just pop it right on the gun. You're good to go. As we move back, let's talk about the trigger and the safety. We have an ambidextrous AR style safety here and an adjustable match grade 2-stage trigger. The trigger is adjustable from 2 pounds to 4 pounds. The magazine is a standard AI magazine available from Magpul. They're very common. You can find them pretty much anywhere. The bolt handle is an oversized, easy to lift, easy to operate bolt handle, but it's also interchangeable. So we have multiple different options if this isn't what you want. The Picatinny rail has 4 locking screws on top, and you're able to select which Picatinny rail is right for you. You can have a 20-minute base, you can have a 0-minute base, you can have a full-length base, and all of them will screw right to the gun. So if you want to run anything out in front of the scope, it's very easy for you to do that. If you want to be minimalistic and just have something to mount the optic to, that's available to you as well. Let's talk about the buttstock. We have a fully adjustable comb, adjustable length of pull, adjustable buttstock up and down, and then we also have a QD point for your sling that you can mount on either the right or the left side, whichever you prefer to carry the gun on. It's got a push button, so you're able to push the button and fold the stock, which also holds the bolt handle down, so you don't have any chance that it might disengage as you're walking through the woods. Sig Sauer's done it again. This is the most innovative hunting rifle in many years.
716. The 716 is a short stroke gas piston operating system with a 4-position gas regulator. This particular weapon is chambered in 7.62 by 51 or 308 Win. The patrol model comes in either FDE, olive drab, or black. All 716s will feature, again, that 4-position gas regulator, flip up front and rear sights. This particular patrol model has a 16-inch barrel. It has a free float aluminum handguards, has an ambidextrous magazine release. All 716s have a dual ejector. Again, the patrol model, this particular model, has the Magpul furniture, buttstock, and hand grip. Again, this is a patrol model of the 716. Similar to the Sig 716 patrol model, we have the 716 pistol variant. The pistol variant, big changes here. We have the SB15 stabilizing brace, a different hand grip. We now have the Sig hand grip. We still have the ambidextrous magazine release. We still incorporate the dual ejector. Incorporating the same length of the aluminum free float handguards. Difference with the barrel is now we have a 12.5-inch barrel. Just like all 716s, it will come with the integral QD mounts for your sling as well. Again, this is the 716 pistol variant. This is the Sig Sauer 716 DMR. This is our precision variant. This is a guaranteed sub-minute of angle with match-grade ammunition weapon system. To achieve this, we have a Swiss-made cold hammer forged barrel. It is equipped with a 5/8 by 24 thread at the tip. We have a monolithic free float handguard. It has the dual ejectors, just like in all 716s. Has a match grade trigger. It has Magpul Myad hand grip, and it has a Magpul stock. The weapon by itself will weigh 9 pounds without the optic. Again, this is the precision.
Hey guys, Adam Paintshow with the Sig Sauer Academy. What I've got right here, the Sig MCX Vertis. This is not just another AR-15. In fact, this is not an AR-15. This is the perfect rifle. Our engineers have been working a long time with operators throughout the land to develop the perfect rifle, and here it is right here, the Sig MCX Vertis. Specifically, this one is the MCX Vertis Patrol, and this is a 16-inch gun available in 5.56 or 300 blackout. A lot of special features on this gun that I want to get to, a lot of talking points. Let's start right back here on the tail end of the gun. How about that right there? Well, this gun is fully functional with their side folded stock folded up. That is very unique. So there's obviously no buffer tube on the back of this gun, fully operational like this. In fact, with it closed up, I still have complete use of all my controls. And not only is it a side folder, but it is also a 5-position stock, so you can adjust your length of pull. So that is really cool. Gonna come with a Lancer smoke magazine, and it is somewhat transparent so you can see how many rounds you have in that magazine. Nice feature. Let's move up the gun a little bit. Right here, ambidextrous charging handle. That's our charging handle. A little gas buster design right there. Feels real nice. Nice smooth operation of that charging handle. I want to kind of fast forward to my favorite part and what I appreciate on any nice gun, and that's going to be the trigger. This trigger right here, wow, I'll tell you what. Nice slick trigger. Feels really nice. That trigger right there, that is our proprietary design. That is our Matchlight Duo trigger. So a light trigger, nice finish on it, make it real smooth. And Duo, obviously that means it's a 2-stage trigger. What a dream to shoot this gun with that trigger. I'm looking right here and I see multi-cal. Why multi-cal? Because the Sig MCX is a complete versatile system, and you, user, can actually swap out calibers from that 300 to 5.56, which is really nice. With that being said, this is the Patrol. This is the full-length version. You can also get this in a SBR, short barrel rifle configuration, and with a PSP, your pistol stabilizing brace on the tail end, which is nice, and a nice compact package. What we've got on the MCX is you've got some user configurability. So you can throw one of our suppressors on the end of this with the taper design, and this is a heavy taper barrel, by the way, which is extremely accurate. Our cans are going to mate up there real nice. And right here, I've got an increased window size right there so I can get in right there for adjustability from suppressed to unsuppressed. This handguard feels real nice, and we've got M-LOK compatibility. All your lights, lasers, whip antennas, whatever you want to throw on this rifle, it is absolutely ready to go out of box. And let's just discuss shootability. I kind of talked about the trigger on this gun, and that trigger really makes it. What a smooth trigger. But if you've never fired an MCX, it's a unique experience. This is actually the perfect rifle. You don't really get that clunky feel. It's not a snappy feel when you shoot it, just a very, very smooth rifle. Staying on target, getting on target quick follow-up shots combined with that trigger. What a dream to shoot this rifle. That is the Sig MCX Vertis. Like I said, you've got multiple configurations for this particular rifle. You need to get your hands on one.
If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to hit the like button below. And if you want to see similar videos in the future, smash that subscribe button and make sure to turn the notification bell on. Now that's all I've got, and in all that you do, we want to help you beat yesterday.